Every new Toyota comes with ToyotaCare, but most owners never actually read what it covers until they need service. Here's what's included, what isn't, and how long it lasts. ToyotaCare covers normal factory-scheduled maintenance for 2 years or 25,000 miles, whichever comes first. That includes oil changes, tire rotations, and a multi-point inspection at every covered visit, plus 24-hour roadside assistance for that same period. ToyotaCare isn't a bumper-to-bumper warranty. It doesn't cover repairs, accident damage, or wear items outside the standard maintenance schedule. And it's separate from your vehicle's basic warranty or hybrid battery warranty, which have their own terms. Once you hit 2 years or 25,000 miles, whichever comes first, you're responsible for maintenance costs unless you've added an optional prepaid plan. High mileage drivers will hit that mileage cap well before the 2-year mark. Our service team can confirm exactly how much ToyotaCare coverage you have left and get your next visit on the calendar. Visit Freeman Toyota at 204 Northeast Loop 820 in Hurst, Texas, or call service at 817-287-5252